What first comes into your mind when you hear the word bliss and happiness? Is it related with your financial satisfaction, or is it about the intensity of how famous you are? Well, you guys must be reacting in affirmation because undoubtedly these two aspects are indeed one of the significant slots to live a happy and blissful life. But no, they are not. Ladies and gentlemen, think. Think harder. Think what is more significant and cardinal than just a mere paper and your fame. Health. Health it is. Namaskaram. My name is Hunar Bhatia and I am honored in getting this exceptional slot to deliver you the significance of World Health Day. It is celebrated every year on 7th April with a different theme every single annum. What makes me lay utmost emphasis on the World Health Day is the onset of this pandemic COVID-19. Sir or ma'am, no matter how rich or famous you are, no matter if you're the President of United States or one of the powerful human beings on the planet, you can't escape this dreadful virus if your health and immunity is demeaning. Look around you and observe. Even the people with enough resources are unable to arrange oxygen cylinders and beds. What only matters is your health and how fit you are as a person. Didn't get satisfied or what? Let me tell you this way. Our health is so significant that even the highly prominent and dignified ancient Vedas of Hinduism has reflected the importance of it. Atharva Veda talks about health and medicine. It is highly edified and makes us adore our daily routine and how it affects our health. Okay, let's be more practical. Do you know what were the last departing words of Steve Jobs before his demise? No, they weren't some kind of a strategy to become a billionaire or how to open a multinational company. He said, I have a huge bungalow and many cars. I have many servants to serve me and a big company to feed me. But I'm dying. I'm dying because of my pancreatic cancer. And guess what? All these assets of mine are of no use. These huge bungalows, properties of mine cannot save me. I wish I could have laid equal emphasis on my health in my early times as I did on creating my wealth. Yes, that's what the founder of Apple company has said. All he said about was on health and immunity. Now let me be very clear. Health is not only about how physically fit or flexible you are. It's not only related with six-pack abs or your muscles. Health also includes your mental and emotional state into the account. In the recent times, we have witnessed the significance of mental health. One of the most prominent and veteran actors of India has died because he was suffering from depression. Studies have shown that almost 43% of people in India are suffering from depression with an average of 25 suicides per day. Not only this, but the average mortality rate of India is 7% with an average life expectancy of just 68 years. Wow. Oof. Let's keep the negativity apart and talk about solutions. If finding a solution is an art, Japan is the Picasso of it. In order to keep younger teenagers healthy, Japan government has announced tax incentives for its people. Persons with ideal BMI index will be given more subsidies and tax concessions. And guess what? Japan now is one of the highest ranked countries in terms of health and life expectancy. India should adopt the same solutions rather than just educating people about physical education. As very famous actor Mr. Akshay Kumar has said, we Indian citizens should take a pledge to get ourselves indulged in any one of the sports, be it karate, basketball, rugby, or even a simple jogging. We have to take a step forward and join any one of them. Okay guys, this is it. Thank you for bearing with me. Now I'll take a permission to leave. But please, don't just leave this topic over here. Take a pen and a paper and make your own fitness schedule. Because as Mark Zuckerberg said, you just have to get started. Thank you.